Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to fix the microphone not working problem on the Duolingo app. First, open the settings on your phone. Go to the section called Apps or Application Manager. Then go to App Settings. From the list of installed apps, find and select Duolingo. Then tap on Permissions. Here, make sure the microphone permission is turned on. If it is turned off, the app cannot listen to your voice. After you enable the microphone permission, close the settings and reopen the Duolingo app to check if it is working. Next, open Duolingo and tap on your profile icon at the bottom. Then open the settings by tapping the gear icon. Scroll down until you find the option for speaking exercises. Make sure this option is turned on. If it is off, you will not be able to use the microphone for speaking lessons. If none of these steps work, uninstall the Duolingo app and install it again from the Play Store or App Store. After reinstalling, log back into your account and test the microphone again. This should fix most microphone issues on the Duolingo mobile app. Thanks for watching.